shit to me. If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their next.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kybreezy. I'm back with another video. So y'all, I'm gonna get ready and go get something to eat, and I'm finna also go to the store and stuff. So you know, it's just like a basic maintenance vlog or whatever. Alright guys, so I'm in the truck. We finna get ready and go to go get me some food, and we're going to Dollar Tree also. I don't know if I'm going to go get my food, like eat on the way there, or should I just wait? But I'll probably just wait to go get my food, and then we just go to the store, and then on the way back home, go get it, and then come home, then watch a movie. So it's 3:18. I need to be charging my lock screen, my phone, because I really don't like these pictures in my phone. But we finna get killed. This was my vision board for 2023, but I can't wait to make my vision board for 2024. So we just made it at Dollar Tree. I'm with my dad saying, hey. Yeah, so we've been going to Dollar Tree. So I'm back home now. I'm finna eat my food, and I'm finna find a Netflix movie to watch. I don't know how I'm finna do this even though I'm on the phone. Alright guys, so I'm finna hang up my clothes, my lingerie and stuff I have to do. So we're gonna do that, and I don't know y'all. It's very chill, but I'm just gonna show y'all. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Alright y'all, so I'm done doing my laundry. Well, not all, like done with everything, but I'm done with my first load. I have 2 more loads. Well, the other one is in the dryer, then I have to go put the other one in, and I'll be done. But that's all for the alright guys, so I'm back, and I'm thinking about doing a makeover to my iPad, for my iPad, because my iPad been decorated the same way since like was it 2021? I think it was 2021, because I had my iPad in 2021. Yeah, I got my iPad for 2021 December of Christmas. So yeah, it's been decorated the same exact way. It's almost a new year, so I'm finna show y'all how it looks. Let me show y'all. Okay, so this is how I decorate it. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's just been the same way. And I've been looking for like ideas and stuff, and I think I'm gonna go with pink. I don't know, but I want my iPad kind of like this. I'm gonna do my phone and stuff too, but I just been looking for stuff, and she over here doing her iPad too, because she wanted to be like yeah, we wanted to fit my vibe. I want to be aesthetic, but I feel like a lot of people use this pink, but it's all about me and what I want. So Amira told me try blue. If I don't do pink, I'm gonna do purple, because I've been liking purple and pink. But I'm gonna look up some ideas for blue. If I don't like the blue, then we're gonna go back to pink. That makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my
I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy
Alright guys, so I just got done editing my iPad and stuff. Y'all, I'm so tired from editing the iPad. Like, I got frustrated. It's not how I really wanted it to turn out, but I got tired. I'm not gonna edit my phone, but I have some more laundry to do. So I'm finna go in the garage and go get the stuff out, other clothes, and I have to put some more clothes in because it's been a while. So I'm pretty sure it's done. So y'all, I'm back. I'm just putting the stuff in. I have one more load after this load. Alright guys, so we're finna get ready and go do my face care and all that stuff. Get ready for the night. So you guys gonna come with me and we're gonna call this video a day. Morning guys, so we're gonna start my workout. So for today I'm going to do this right here. Let me flip it so you guys can see. So you guys,
Shit at me. If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, blow they need. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, I'm a
so I'm now done with my workout and stuff. So I'm finna go take a bath, freshen up, do that, and then I'm gonna go cook. I'm thinking about cooking stuffed chicken breast with probably like rice on the side or something. But it's currently 11:32, so I already fixed my bed and everything. And then after I get done with that, this is gonna be the end of the video for real this time, and we're gonna edit and go ahead and put it out today. But simple. It was hard with those like while sits, and then I'm sick. I had the flu, guys. So then yeah, but I really need to get into more workouts because basketball season. And yeah, and I haven't been to basketball season. I mean basketball practice because I've been sick, like I just told you guys. But we finna get ready and get. Okay, so I'm out the shower and I did my face remover. So now we're just gonna go cook. So I forgot to get the chicken out, so just gonna put it in the microwave and let it thaw out a little bit. So guys, I'm looking for the recipe. I had my phone that I had been made. I'm just trying to find it. So if I don't find it, I know how to like do it. I'm trying to make sure I have the right stuff. I found it, guys. Y'all, I did a whole video. I think I'm gonna post this on TikTok, but I did a whole video like. So we finna go ahead and make it. Alright guys, so I just got done putting the season on the chicken. So now I'm gonna put the chicken in the oven, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna rake up the stuff that I'm putting on top to make it as a stuffed chicken. So this is how we look right now, and we just gonna put it in the oven, y'all. Take it to the oven. Cause we finna go get the food. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed me getting ready for the New Year's. And I'm finna get ready and edit this video and go ahead and post it because it is New Year's Eve, and yeah, I'm just finna enjoy my rest of the day, going to my grandma's house because we're doing like a little thing. So I'm finna go. So see you guys later. Bye.